Tamil Nadu has been very consistently following up all the WHO and Government of India protocols in tackling the COVID pandemic. This is being regularly reviewed by Honorable Chief Minister, and Honorable Prime Minister also has regular interactions with Honorable Chief Minister, and at the Cabinet Secretary and the Chief Secretary also it is being reviewed. At our level, we go regularly to the field. The challenges which Tamil Nadu at present has been presenting a kind of plateaued figure, but we are one of the states with maximum number of RT-PCR tests, and we have even touched almost 85,000 tests a day. Having said that, we also focus not only on Chennai and surrounding districts, but all over the state. So, in all over the state, whatever is the average, at least we aim to do 10 times testing by creating fever camps, capturing people who are likely to be positive. Now that we have got into unlock phase, the challenges which we face are, we look at positivity. The state as a whole in positivity has come below 10%. But we have challenges in a few districts which are below 10 but slightly higher as far as absolute number is concerned. Chennai and the surrounding district, Coimbatore, Salem and Cuddalore. The challenges which we feel on after unlock is that we have certain issues of non-compliance of social distancing measures, which compliances in use of mask, improper use of mask and its disposal, then non-essential travel, spitting. And on all these, apart from awareness, we have also created, amended the act to make these compoundable offences, where we also fine people not with the intention of collecting fine, but with the intention of making them compliant. Apart from that, we also have challenges where people, due to the stigma, tend to avoid coming, particularly elderly people, avoid subjecting themselves to test. So there again we are creating awareness, destigmatizing the disease, and telling them that unless you present yourself early, and we are also telling that elderly people who have come have completely got cured, people above 90, that we make them share their experiences through media. We also look at non-compliance of home quarantine and also flouting of containment zone procedure, where clear communication is also given, and we are putting people like focus volunteers for containment zones so that they don't have to come. Similarly, we are also involving NGOs and also doing house-to-house survey in urban areas. Apart from that, we also have challenges on mental health issues, where we are using social workers to create the thing. Last but not least, we also advise people not to self-medicate, and while there are a number of people, when they initially have even one symptom, we are saying that please come to the free testing center and test yourself. People have been cooperating, we have done well so far, but we fully realize that the next 2 to 3 weeks is going to be very critical, because unless we get a vaccine and a definitive medicine, we need public to fully cooperate in this national and international efforts in ensuring that the pandemic is fully brought under control.